Hi, Ren. Hi, Ren. Are you watching your little shapes? Ooh. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at you. Look at you using your baby eyes. Oh, you are going to be a smart little cookie. Look at you, you're so happy. Oh, Ren. Look at you watching this. Do you like your swing? Do you like your swing, Ren? Hi, baby. You like your swing, don't you? Watching all the little shapes. Little lambs. And little stars. And somebody else is trying to watch you. There's Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Are you curious? You curious about this baby? Look at you, Ren. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. Uh-oh. Gracie? Are you looking at your baby sister? Hi, Ren. Hi, Ren. Smiley baby. Smiley baby. Look at that. Hi, Ren. That's my smart little baby. That's my smart little baby. All right. Mommy's gonna say goodbye now. Goodbye, Ren. Have fun.